Hi. I am facing this mouse pointer slowness issue. I need to push extra force to move the pointer, and this is really causing sufferings to me. So let's fix it. Go to Start. Type Mouse Settings. Whatever Windows you are using, simply find out additional mouse settings. Do not increase or decrease it. Come to Pointer Options. Under Select a Pointer Speed, you see that my pointer is slower. Now simply increasing the volume. And yes, my mouse pointer is getting faster when I move my mouse. Now apply then OK. Enjoy the faster mouse pointer behavior. Again, if you think the speed is not correct for you, come here again and slow it. This is how you can simply increase the slowness issue of your mouse pointer and increase speed. Hope you found this video useful. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.